Today, let's go together and discover numbers in French. Get comfortable, open your eyes wide, and count with me. Here is the number 1. In French, we say, un? How many trees are there? Count with me. Un? Here is the number 2. In French, we say, deux. How many fish are there? Count with me. Un, deux. Here is the number 3. In French, we say, trois. How many flowers are there? Count with me. Un, deux, trois. Here is the number 4. In French, we say, quatre. How many butterflies are there? Count with me. Un, deux, trois, quatre. Here is the number 5. In French, we say, cinq. How many ducks are there? Count with me. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Here is the number 6. In French, we say, six. How many birds are there? Count with me. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six. Here is the number 7. In French, we say, sept. How many fruits are there? Count with me. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept. Here is the number 8. In French, we say, huit. How many stars are there? Count with me. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit. Here is the number 9. In French, we say, neuf. How many balloons are there? Count with me. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf. Well done! You can now count in French from un to neuf. You can watch this video again whenever you want to practice and learn even better. And if you want to keep learning while having fun, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch the next videos. See you soon!